Hello and welcome. And today, well, simple thing. I lost the ignition switch to my Jenny, and I wanna install a simple switch. So that's a simple ignition barrel, but I would rather use a switch like this. So what I'm gonna do is chop the wires off here. You can clearly see two black ones go into one point, so we're gonna solder these wires to the switch and then reconnect obviously back onto the Jenny. So I will show you that right now. So the switch, as you've just seen, I've soldered the wires, everything is as it should be. Now all we need to do is fit the switch through the hole. Okay, so wires are connected and this one is earth. Obviously this is mounted to the bracket. Switch fitted. So let me put the cover back on and then we're gonna test if it works. So now ignition on, fuel is on. Voila! Thank you for watching. See you next time.